Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by creating a new song and selecting an instrument. This immediately gets you into recording. Tap the plus icon, pick a template or choose audio recorder for voice, and set tempo and key to match your project. Make sure to enable the metronome so your timing stays steady. Connect headphones or an external mic if you have one, because cleaner input equals easier editing later. Once done, arm the track for recording and do a quick level test to avoid clipping. You'll now record and build the arrangement by layering takes. Tap record and capture multiple passes, then switch to tracks view to trim with the scissors tool, move regions, and drag loops from the browser. Make sure to name regions so you don't lose them. Once you have parts, adjust volume, pan, and add effects using smart controls and built-in plugins. This shapes tone and space. If needed, use automation to fade or emphasize phrases. These mid-process edits make the song coherent. Finish by balancing levels and applying final polish. Gentle EQ cuts, subtle compression, and a limiter on the master to prevent clipping. Pan instruments for clarity and check your mix at low and high volumes so it translates. When satisfied, tap Share, choose Song, select Quality, and export to Files, iCloud, or another destination. If you encounter problems, try reducing individual track gain or adding a limiter. Force close Garageband and reopen if the app becomes unresponsive. Once exported, test the file on another device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.